Excel plays a massive part in almost any business as it provides a platform which can be used for a great deal of things, whether that's keeping track of finances, creating a detailed business plan, or something as simple as creating a list. However, even though Excel is used so often, there are many who don't know the little shortcuts and tools which can be used to make your life a lot easier. That's why I'm going to go through some of the simple shortcuts you probably don't know, but once you do, you'll halve the time you spend working on spreadsheets. The first one is one of the easiest, and that is the autofill function. So the autofill ability allows you to automatically fill in text, numbers, dates, and formula. As an example today, I'm going to put January in the top left cell. Once I do that, I can click on the little box in the corner and drag across or down. You can see as I drag along, it displays which months I'm filling in. Once I get to the month I want, I'll take my finger off the mouse and it'll automatically fill in the data. This can be done with months, days, numbers, dates, and so on. The next function is great for when you're working with numbers and money, and this is the AutoSum shortcut. So if I just want to add this row together to get a total, I will select the cell to the right and use the AutoSum button to automatically add these figures up for me. If I wish to add the other rows, I can double click on the box in the right corner and it will add the other rows together, saving the time it would take me to add up all the numbers manually. So now I want to add the total from January. I click on the Formula tab and click on the AutoSum button there. Excel assumes I want to add from cell B3 to B7, but I want to add all of the numbers in that row. So what I do is I highlight all the cells I want to add up, and once I press the enter, the numbers add up accordingly. I can then click on the box in the right corner again to add up the rest of the months. It's as easy as that. If you enjoyed getting just a couple of tips on cutting your time working on Excel, please let us know in the comments so we can make sure to release more tricks and shortcuts. Or if you want to see some hints on other Microsoft applications, let us know and we can release similar content for other platforms. Cheers guys.